If you're over 40, I want you to enter the chat because this video is for you. All right. Now, I get a lot of emails from people 40 and above, right, asking for side hustles for people that are 40 and above. Now, listen, I am closer to 40 than I am to 30 by myself. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a list of side hustles for women over 40. Now, I know that after that age, you just want to, chill. You don't want to do a lot of work, right? Now, the first one will be virtual assistants. And I have done this. I made over 10,000 being a virtual assistant. And let me tell you what is good about it. What is good about it is because, first of all, you can work fully from home. Also, right, certain companies can allow you to choose the time that you want to work, right? And you can do this based off of your own terms, all right? Now, it involves providing administrative assistance, sometimes social media assistance, like I was doing, customer support, even though I hated that part of it. Sometimes remotely helping business or entrepreneurs handle their businesses, right? Now, and why does it work for women over 40? It works for women over 40 because at that age, you have honed the organizational skills, right? Multitasking skills, which are already in high demand, right? As a woman over 40, you're not you're not in the league of people that are not organized anymore. You're now organized. You know how to multitask. And this is what people that look for virtual assistants, this is what they're looking for. All right. Now, how can you get started? You can get started on platforms like Upwork, which I used. All right. You can use Fiverr, right? Or you can use different other virtual assistant networks online that you can find. All right. The second one will be freelance writing or editing. Now, things like writing blogs, articles, copy, or even editing and proofreading, right? These are the things that are involved with freelance writing or editing. Now, why does it work? It works because this hustle requires strong communication skills. For women over 40, you have mastered your communication skills, right? You're not beating about the bush anymore, right? So you're fit for it because it comes naturally to you. Now, if you've also written in previous cases, this is also something that will come naturally to you because you have the experience, all right? So how do you get started with this? You have to create a portfolio, right? And pitch to clients on freelance platforms like Freelancer, right? Or LinkedIn. All right. The next one will be coaching and consulting. But I don't know if you know that at that age of 40, you have enough experience to be a life coach, to be any coach at all, right? And for consultation, right? Now, offering expertise in the skills that you have mastered, in the field that you've mastered, right? In what area have you worked over the past 20 years that you've worked, right? What have you mastered? What are the skills that you've mastered? What has your career been? This is the time for you to start coaching in that area, all right? I also offer coaching. I offer life coaching. I offer purposeful life coaching. I offer spiritual coaching. I offer coaching in different aspects, right, that I sell, right, to people. Now, offer coaching, right, or consulting, health consultation, business strategies, business coaching, and all of that. These are things, right, that you can definitely do. And it works because your years of experience, right? You're 40, you're over 40, so you have the experience, you've experienced the highs, the lows, and your unique perspective can just provide valuable guidance to people that need your service. Now, before you start this, you have to first of all understand and believe in yourself that you have these things, all right? Now, how do you get started? You have to get certifications or accreditations where necessary, especially for life coaching, consultation, and all of that. And then use social media, LinkedIn, to market your services. One good way to market your service is starting on YouTube, offering free guidance, free coaching, right? And then people will reach out to you for the paid one. All right. Now, the fourth one will be creating or selling digital products. Now, you know that I am an advocate for creating and selling digital products because this is the thing I do. All right. Now, it involves selling ebooks. It involves online courses, selling online courses, printables in different areas. So now those areas that you're good at, that you're coaching in, you can create digital items to sell in those same areas. Now, if you don't know how to set up your online store, go to the link in the description description box, right, my website, and you will see where I'll help you set up your online store and also list at least 10 digital items on it. So if you want to create ebooks, if you want to create planners and all of that, I got you. All right. Now, it works because digital products can produce passive income for you, and because it is an existing knowledge, something you already know, right? How do you plan your day? How do you plan your life, right? It is something you know already, so it can come naturally to you, right? Now, use platforms like Canva, Etsy. I love Etsy for selling digital products. You can use Gumroad as well. You can use Stan Store. I do use Stan Store as well. So all of these things will definitely help you. The next one will be online tutoring or teaching. Platforms like Udemy, platforms like Skillshare, they need tutors, right? They need people to do their tutors, sell their courses and all of that. Now, teaching subjects like math, like languages or music, and offering mentorship in specialized skills are in demand, right? You have a lot inside of you. You have the skills. You can teach English language to foreign students. You can teach mathematics. You can teach science, right? There's another platform called OutSchool, right, where a lot of homeschoolers use as well. Go there, right? Whatever you can tutor on, whatever you can tutor kids on, if it's music, whatever it is, go ahead, do it, right? Now, it works because your knowledge and patience, especially, can make you an excellent educator for students and for professionals. All right. So use platforms like Skillshare, like Udemy, like OutSchool, VIP Kid, and all of that. Right. Now, this next one, number 6, will be social media management. Now, if you're good with managing social media, a lot of companies are looking for social media managers. All right. Managing social media accounts, creating content, engaging with the audience, response to comments and all of that, for small business and personal brands are in demand. And your life experience can help you craft thoughtful content, like thoughtful response to comments, and all of that. So you want to do all of that. Now, you can build a portfolio, right, with examples of the content that you've created, if you've created any content at all, and network with local businesses. You can go to any business, by your house, by anywhere. Tell them you can help them manage their social media, and you will get it. Now, the thing with side hustles is that you don't just sit in your house and wait for it to come to you. You have to go look for it, and you will find it, right? You will definitely find it. I want you to know that when you look, you will find. Even the Bible says, seek and you will find. Now, the next one will be handmade crafts and products, right? Selling handmade crafts like jewelries, candles, arts, and all of those. Now, if you don't even know how to make them, you can learn them and start to sell them. I know someone that sells tiny little beaded jewelries on TikTok, and I know that she sells a lot. Now, if you're crafty, you enjoy crafting, this is one reason it works. It is fulfilling because this is something you already enjoy doing, right? And you're doing it. So sell on platforms like Etsy. Etsy is an amazing platform for selling crafts, right? So do it. Now, the next one will be home-based baking or catering, right? At that age of 40, I feel like you can, but if you're that person that likes to cook, that likes to cater, that likes to bake, right? Selling baked goods or catering to small events is an amazing side hustle, right? Because you already do it, right? So just catering to small events like meetings, breakfast meetings and all of that, or that amazing cake or pie that you bake from home, letting people know that you sell it, right? And selling to them from your home. Now, why does it work? It works because if you love cooking or baking, right, this side hustle combines your passion with profit, all right? But listen, you have to comply with your local food safety regulations, right? And then promoting through word of mouth and social media is the way to go. right? Now, the last but not the least will be pet sitting or dog walking. Now, if you're someone that works from home, or maybe you just do business and you're from home, pet sitting and dog walking involves caring for pets while the owner is away, right? And now, let me tell you, this is also an amazing way to get your steps in for the day. This is an amazing way for you to work out, all right? So this is also perfect for animal lovers. If you love animals, maybe you have animals of your own. When you're taking your animals on a walk, right, you can also get people to walk their own animals as well for a fee. And this is low stress. It's a flexible side hustle, right? And even though this particular side hustle cannot make you a millionaire, it can buy you gas for the week, it can buy you groceries for the month, all right? So use apps like Rover or Wag to connect with pet owners. Anyway, guys, this is all I have for you today. If you found this video helpful, kindly hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Have an amazing week. My name is thetobyrich. Ciao, ciao.